One, two, three, four. Well, I chipped my tooth on a tangerine, and the J.